Okay guys, here is a revision. 24-inch range. If we put a 30-inch cabinet, or excuse me, 30-inch range in here, this drawer stack is going to go down to about 8 inches wide. And this isn't going to be a heavily used kitchen, so I'm figuring you could get away with that. This cabinet here, this door will open and there'll be a cabinet that goes all the way back for storage. Granted, it's going to be a little tricky to reach back there, but it's just a tight space for a kitchen. This cabinet, these base cabinets are 16 inches deep. Same thing, you'll open up that door and there'll be a shelf all the way to the back. This is your sink cabinet, which is only 34 inches wide. I took off this fridge leg here, so just a cabinet above the fridge, and two cabinets above the countertop here. So this is 16, these are 12, so it's going to be pretty, typically these base cabinets are 24, so when you stand here, these cabinets are going to feel pretty close, but again, it's just a tight space. You can see the difference there. And that's just a graphic image that should not be there with that cabinet with the resizing. So the linen and vanity are removed. Drawer stack here. We can see our layout here. All right. Thanks, guys.